Hi loves, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys an inside the dressing room at Old Navy. You guys know I love Old Navy and I know a lot of you guys do as well, so I figured I would stop in. Today's video is going to be on their activewear. I'm actually a huge fan of their activewear. I love the price point and I love the quality. Everything is just really great in my opinion, so I'm super excited to see what they have to offer for the new year. This video is actually the third video of Fitness Week on my channel, so I hope you guys are enjoying so far. Be sure to let me know in the comments below where you guys would like me to stop in next. I was thinking Torrid, but if you guys have any suggestions, be sure to let me know down below. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing this inside the dressing room at Old Navy on their activewear, then please keep watching. First outfit you guys are seeing from me is this black oversized pullover top. This is in a size extra large, so it does fit me at a more oversized fit, which I thought was really cute. This top is definitely perfect to wear to either the gym or if you just need to run some errands and you're looking for something more casual. The bottoms that I'm wearing are actually a gray pair of high-waisted leggings. These are in a size large. I do typically like either a large or extra large bottoms. At Old Navy, I will say the large fit was a little tight and definitely showing that visible belly line, but I still thought they were cute. Here you guys are just gonna see the back of the top that I'm wearing. As you guys can see, it just has some cross details and there's a little cutout as well. Super cute and nice and airy for the gym. Next outfit you guys are seeing is actually my favorite. I thought this was really cute together. So the top I'm wearing is just a blue little tank top. These are super affordable and super comfy. I actually have a few of them that I own. This is in a size extra large, fit me perfectly. It is more sheer, so you guys probably can see the outline of my bra at the top there, but if you're wearing a sports bra, I don't think it really matters in my opinion. The bottoms I'm wearing are so cute. They are a gray high-waisted fit. They are in a size extra large and they do have the blue and like dark blue block details on them. They actually remind me a lot of the pair that I actually just received in Stitch Fix this past week. I'll go ahead and link that video above and down below if you guys missed it, but those were like, I think they were like $55 or something. These were probably like $20, and Old Navy was offering 50% off of activewear. These are definitely more of an affordable option if you guys like the ones I shared in Stitch Fix. And here you guys will just see the back of the tank top. It is just a razor back top. Next outfit you guys are seeing is again another little pullover top, and this is a black pullover in a size extra large. This one does actually have the hood as well as the adjustable drawstrings around the neck. The bottoms I'm wearing, I actually really love them so much. They are red high-waisted bottoms with the white stripe on the side. I think they are so cute. To me, they just look like Adidas with the stripes on the side, but definitely at a more affordable price point. These are in a size extra large and fit me great. They do actually come in black as well, so if they're available, I'll have them linked down below. I think I would have liked the black ones too, but unfortunately I didn't get to try them on because Old Navy was super picked through on their activewear, being that they are offering such a high discount on all of the pieces. But this is probably, I would say the last outfit was my favorite, but I also like this one as well. Next outfit you guys are seeing here is a gray muscle tee top. This one's actually in a size large. It's very tight. I couldn't get it over my hips. I did want an extra large in it, but I wasn't able to find one and I still wanted to try it on for you guys. The bottoms I'm wearing are a high-rise gray and black print. They are at a cropped fit as well. I actually own these, but I did want to share them with you guys because I think they are so cute. They are in a size large. I actually own them in a size large as well. Again, it's not the most figure flattering for my lower tummy area, but in the end, I'm looking for leggings that stay up while I'm working out and don't have to worry about them falling down when I'm at the gym. The back of this top is actually so cute. It does have the mesh detail in the center and then it ties at the bottom like so. As I mentioned, this top is a little tight, so I actually couldn't get it over my hips, and so we can't see the full detail, but it is really cute. Here you guys are seeing the same pants and same top I showed you guys in the last clip, but I threw on this little zip up jacket. This one is in a size large as well. It does have the pockets in the front and it also has the armholes, which again, I like that detail for my active wear. The print was not exact this was not exactly the same as the bottoms, but they were paired next to each other on display, so I wanted to try them on together. For me personally, I don't like to match that much, so I would probably wear them separately. Maybe wear the jacket with a pair of black leggings instead, and it would still be a nice look. This next outfit we are seeing is a matching sports bra to the bottoms. The sports bra is in a size extra, extra large. It is a light support. I prefer medium support at Old Navy, but again, they were super picked through, and I did think this was a cute outfit anyway. For me personally, I'm not as daring, and I wouldn't wear this personally out at the gym because I would need like a shirt on top. But if you guys like to work out in sports bras, I think this is a really cute outfit. So it just has the floral patterns all over it, super stretchy, super elastic. Those are a full length legging, and the back of the sports bra actually has crosses all over it. There you guys can see it a bit better. Again, I personally wouldn't work out like this, but if you guys are interested, I think this is a cute look, and the bottoms are in a size large. Next outfit you guys are seeing is another matching set. This one does have the sports bra in the pants as well. Sports bra again is in a size extra, extra large. This is a light support bra like the last one I showed you guys. This one I actually kind of liked a little bit better. Made the girls look a little bit better. The bottoms I'm wearing are also in a size large as the ones I tried on previously. For me personally, again, I would definitely wear a shirt if I was at the gym just because I prefer more coverage, but I did want to share this option with you guys. And please ignore the fact that I desperately need a tan. I'm looking so incredibly pale in this try on. It's embarrassing, but again, the sports bra has the crisscrosses in the back like the one I showed you guys previously. And the last outfit you guys are seeing, unfortunately, like I said, Old Navy was super picked through, so I do wish I had more options, but this is actually going to be the last one. The top I'm wearing is in a size extra large. It is that like go dry material. I love that for working out. It is long sleeve and super stretchy and comfy. It does have the armholes in it, as well as that little cutout detail in the top, which I thought was really cute. We are out of focus. I apologize, but it gets better in just a second. So the bottoms I am wearing are again a high rise pair of leggings, and these are in a size extra large. Fit me really great, nice tummy control, no visible belly lines with the darker color. But I just thought this was a cute outfit that you guys could wear either to the gym, or again, if you were just wanting to run errands or you're just looking for something super casual, I think this is a really cute look. And then here, I just added on a little cardigan. This cardigan is actually in a size medium. It was super oversized and it fit really nice in the medium. Again, really picked through. They only had the medium or the extra, extra large, and I knew that was going to be too big. This cardigan actually has the slits on the side, which I like. It's a nice long fit, so it covers the butt if you want to wear it with leggings. And it does have pockets on the side as well, and there's actually a hood in the back. They did actually have this cardigan in the workout section, so I wanted to try it on. I feel like this is a good option to throw over your activewear if you want to dress up a look a little bit. So that is it for my inside the dressing room at Old Navy on their activewear. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, and check out my Instagram. I'll have it linked in the description box down below. I will have all items that I shared with you guys today down below as well, including a link to shop and my size in case you guys missed it or I forgot to mention. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite outfit was that I tried on today, and where do you guys pick up your activewear? If you guys have any requests for any other inside the dressing room videos you guys would like to see from me, be sure to let me know down below as well. I always love interacting with you guys. All in all, I feel like it was a good trip at Old Navy. They were super picked through, as I've noticed are most stores right now around this time of the year. I think everyone's just getting back to the gym like me, so it's definitely picked through. But all in all, I do feel like I had a good time. I liked a lot of the pieces that I tried on. Sizings were like iffy sometimes, but all in all, I think it was a good time. So I think that is actually going to do it for this inside the dressing room. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.